Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can buy stocks on Etoro. So in order to buy stocks on Etoro, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So basically, to buy stocks on Etoro, first thing you have to make sure that you've already linked your payment source and that you have enough funds. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and log in into your Etoro account. And on the search box, type in the asset that you wish to buy and click on the trade icon next to it when you actually locate the asset. And then it's going to take you to the info page where you have to go and click on the trade icon in the top right hand side. Next page, it's going to show you whether you want to buy or sell. So click on the buy button, enter in the exact amount that you wish to buy. Also make sure to link or add a payment source so that you can pay for it, and accordingly you'll be able to see that all sort of information, confirm the transaction, and you'll be notified within no time that you've successfully bought stocks on Etoro. So in this way you can buy stocks on Etoro. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.